Welcome ladies and gentlemen to number 14 Balerno Circle right here in the heart of Gowanbrae. My name's David Vaughan. Today we've got an exceptional low maintenance townhome opportunity on offer. 4 spacious bedrooms, open plan kitchen living meals, 2 separate bathrooms and off-street parking for 2 cars. It doesn't get much bigger or better than that. Let's go now through, take a wander. Well, there you have it ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, immaculately presented and ready to move in. This property here is going to suit a huge demographic of buyer. Small families, professional couples, downsizers, investors, or even that of the first home buyer. You're going to love the attributes this property here has to offer. Not only that, but access to some of the area's finest amenities. You've got schools, both private and public, shops, recreational services, and of course that of public transport infrastructure. It's all very, very close by. We look forward to meeting you at one of our open for inspections. Of course, if you can't make the open house time, feel free to contact myself or Eleanor Curry and we'll get you through on a private basis. Once again, thanks for taking the online tour.